Good morning, everyone. It's almost evening. Well, afternoon. Apologize for that. Today we're doing a EV installation on a beautiful car. This is my favorite truck, Mr. Denali. You guys can see that. Hopefully it blocks the plates. Beautiful car. So the customer wants a super fast charger, 80 amps, give or take. So what we got here today, our tech doing some fixes, and they had a 220 charger. What we're gonna do now is install this ultra fast charger at 80 amps. You can see that brand. So we're gonna put it right next to that breaker panel here, right about here, on a 100 amp breaker. So you guys will see the scope of work and let us know. Yeah, for people using Milwaukee, are people that are not, they don't use tools as much, so we gotta make sure that, you know, you get used to using tools and you can use Hilti. Nah, every tool is good. Just sometimes, especially when it gets colder, it's just hard. Do it from the other hole. There we go. Yep. You gotta cut it more. All right, so we put a ground rod here. So we went that way because for some reason there's blocks as a foundation. It's pretty interesting. And then we got the other one here. Now we're gonna use my bender to kind of put it in there and bend it that way. So this will be your main electrode because of the water well. We'll bond it to the main panel. Yeah, so this is a Hurricane 2 surge protection. For anybody that doesn't know, so we're gonna turn everything off. Okay, good to go. All right, Danny. Your turn. Wow. Oh, it's not here, it's in my truck. I was thinking, like, wait a minute. Don't want to hit this beautiful car. Look alive, Danny. Well, it looked as good as it could get. Put a flower on it, it looked better. I'm strong, but not that strong. Come on, Danny, you tighten up. Come on, youngin. Okay, now we're good. See, when this replace off equals replace on, okay. So this gives you the idea. Everything's working good. So.
Is that going to change colors?
No. None whatsoever.
Green?
Yes.
Well, what if it's wrong? What's it going to be then?
No, then if it malfunctions, it's gonna just be off. Sometimes they act like the fall guy, so if some surge comes in, it'll land here before it goes anywhere else. So I had one gentleman, he had an old surge protector. His surge pretty much gave out. It saved pretty much the major stuff, but one or two things went out. Wasn't as bad. A tree fell in his line, and he was able to salvage quite a bit of stuff. Okay, so now we're gonna put everything in. Okay. All right, ready? Okay, Danny. So let's put this back. Does he want to come and test his vehicle? I'm gonna turn it on. Good job, man. Love it, love it. Let's get you home, bro. A lot of stuff for one EV, all this stuff. Good to go. Now our policy is you pay us first, then you test.
Oh shoot! You see that discount?
It is going, guys. It's looking good.
I called you guys. It was, I looked you up online. Everything was good. I called you guys up. Very professional. Came out on the same time that was, quoted 9 o'clock. Came out. You guys hooked this up. Told me exactly what was going to happen. We walked around the property. Didn't charge me no extra for anything. It was smooth, and I'm very happy with the setup.
Well, thank you for sharing the feedback, and this is what we do. We did a 80 amp EV charger for his beautiful Sierra Denali, and hope you guys enjoy it, and you give us a call back if there's any questions or concerns.
Sounds good to me.
All right,
Thank you.